Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming your phone supports ESIM and is unlocked. This matters because the ESIM profile must be provisioned by the carrier to your device. Once done, connect to stable Wi-Fi, charge above 20%, and have the carrier QR or numeric activation code ready. Open Settings, go to Cellular or Mobile Data, and choose Add Cellular Plan. This starts the handset listening for the carrier data. Follow prompts to scan or enter the code, so the device can retrieve the ESIM profile. After scanning or typing the activation details, the phone downloads the carrier profile. This can take a minute or two, so be patient while it verifies. Once installed, assign a clear label like Work or Travel so you know which line is active. Make the ESIM your default for data if desired, and set which line handles calls and SMS. This prevents billing surprises. Finally, check APN or carrier settings and enable or restrict data roaming based on your plan so connectivity behaves as you expect. Finish by restarting the device so the system applies network settings, then verify you see the carrier name and signal bars. Make a test call, send a text, and load a web page to confirm data. If something fails, toggle the ESIM off and on or remove and re-add the profile to force reprovisioning. If problems persist, contact your carrier with the activation ID. They can push the profile or reset provisioning. This usually resolves any lingering registration or authentication issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.